Welcome, everyone, to another video series by Lame Creations, Log Analysis Made Easy. Welcome to the first episode of Mastering Regular Expressions, from beginner to pro with Regex101. If you've ever struggled with finding or manipulating text, like validating an email, parsing logs, or doing a fancy search and replace, then regular expressions, or Regex as it's more commonly referred to, are about to become your new best friend. In this video series, we'll go from zero knowledge to confidently writing regex patterns, and we'll do it all hands-on using a free tool called Regex101. Stick around, because by the end of this episode, you'll write your very first regex and see it in action. Let's dive in. So what exactly are regular expressions? At their core, regex is just a way to describe patterns in text. Think of it like a super powerful search tool. Instead of just searching for a word like cat, you can search for things like all words that start with C and end with T, or all email addresses in a document. Regex lets you match, find, and even manipulate text in ways that would take tons of code otherwise. Here are a few world examples where regex shines. Validating an email address, like making sure that it has an @ sign and a domain. Extracting phone numbers from a messy text file. Or again, this is a log analysis channel, searching for error messages in a log file. Now, regex might look a bit intimidating at first. It's like a secret code. But don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step, and by the end of this series, you'll be writing regex like a pro. To make learning regex as hands-on as possible, we'll be using a free online tool called Regex101. You can find that right up here. Here's my URL link. Let's show why it's so awesome. First, let's go there. Don't worry. Again, I'll put the link down in the description. And here's what Regex101 looks like. You've got this big text box at the top right here where you'll write your regex pattern. Below that, there's a text string area where you can paste text to test against. So you take your test data here, you put it here, you test your expression over here. And if there are matches, they'll show up highlighted in the test string. It even has a debugger and a cheat sheet down here. Regex101 supports different flavors of regex, like PCRE, JavaScript, and Python. Over here, we can even see the flavors. We're going to just stick with PCRE 2, which is great for learning. This is a perfect tool because it gives instant feedback, and you don't need to install anything. Let's try it out with a super simple example. All right, let's write our first regex pattern and see it in action. The simplest kind of regex is a literal match. It just looks for an exact string of characters. So we're going to start by trying to match the following word, cat. So what we're going to do, simple as can be, we're just going to write up here in this regular expression box, cat. And I'm using lowercase cat. We'll come back to that lowercase and an uppercase at a later time. But for now, we're just going to type in lowercase cat. Now in the test string below, I'm going to paste some text to search through. That's what I'm going to use. And the minute I paste it in, we can see that it's highlighting matches in my test string. It's highlighting cat in the word cat, cat in the word cats, and cat in the word category, and it does highlight cat here for the word scat. But notice it does not match on the word dog. Basically, it's matching the exact sequence of characters, C followed by A followed by T. I want you to just use that. It really doesn't matter. I mean, technically it's looking for the word cat, But for me, it works a lot better if I make sure I'm breaking these things apart. It's literally looking for each one of these elements. The letter C, followed by the letter A, followed by the letter T. Let's break down what Regex101 is showing us. On the right, in the explanation panel, it says match the character cat, literally, case sensitive. Pretty straightforward. Below the test string, it lists all the matches right here in this match information. And we can actually see that it goes and does. It matches cat here in characters 0 through 3, 4 through 7, 13 through 16, and 23 through 36. Now let's tweak our test string a bit to see what happens. I'll add some more text. So we're going to put in changing up some character matches here. Notice it's only matching lowercase cat. That's because Regex is case sensitive by default. So uppercase CAT doesn't match our pattern. Either does all uppercase cat. We'll learn how to handle the cases in a later episode with flags like case insensitive mode. For now, it's just going to match cat lowercase. And so we do match here. We match cat 1, 2, 3 and cat by itself. Pretty cool, right? Now it's your turn. I've got a quick challenge to help you get comfortable with Regex101. Open up Regex101 in your browser and try this. Write a regex to find all instances of your name in a block of text. Since my name is Lame, I'll write Lame in the regex box. Then I'm going to paste the following string. Lame went to the park with Lame and Layman. Lame was there too. Put your name in here. Keep the case sensitivity, whatever the case may be. Write that as your test string. Pause the video, go to Regex101 and try it out. How many matches do you get? What do you notice about case sensitivity? Drop your results in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went. Don't worry if it feels basic. This is just the start, and we'll build on this in the next episode. Let's recap what we covered today. We learned what regular expressions are, their patterns for matching and manipulating text. We saw how they're used in the real world for things like validation and data extraction. And we got our hands dirty with Regex101 by writing our first regex to match the word cat. You even tried your own challenge. In the next episode, we'll dive into the building blocks of regex, literal characters, meta characters, and escaping. We'll learn how to match more than just exact strings, like any digit or a dot in an email address. It's going to get even more exciting, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything else from this channel. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you thought of your first regex. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching the first episode of Mastering Regular Expressions. Don't forget to check out the description for links to Regex101 and the text snippets we used today. If you're ready to level up your regex skills, join me in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing and I'll see you soon.